In my younger and less vulnerable years, no one ever gave me any good advice, so now I make custom TMNT toys. And this week we'll be making Mikey from a simpler time, 2003. So to start out, I have a matte varnish. It's an acrylic base and it works as my primer because otherwise the rest of the paint won't stick later. And I'm not painting his underscoot, that yellowish part, because it's rubber or more rubbery and it doesn't take well to paint. And let that dry for about half an hour, and now I'm on to a Michelangelo gold. It's kind of like a brownish orangish color with a shine to it, and I like it for this type of thing because it kind of looks like leather in the end. And I'm making some nunchucks for him now. So what I started with, I made them a couple different ways in the past, but this time I had two little Mega Blocks nunchucks, and I cut off, so there's just little stubs in the chain, and I cut up some thin dowels, and now I'm gluing the chain nub to the wood. And sometimes gluing plastic to wood or two different things together, it doesn't stick super well. So if I put a little on each side, let it dry a bit, and then put another dab and glue the glue together, it works. So after the glue dried, and I've already gave these clear coat, well, I mean the chain part that I'm painting, when I did the Mikey clear coat, but I'm just painting silver on the chains. I gave that 2 coats. Now I'm bringing back the matte varnish to do the places I painted with the Michelangelo gold. And now I moved on to a cinnamon brown, painting the handles of the nunchucks, nunchaku. I made a bit of a green wash, and I'm just I'm more dry brushing on the back of the shell, the part that I didn't mix with water, so it wasn't the wash. And then I just gave a bit of green wash all over the green parts of Mikey to add a little bit of depth to his color. And then I did some more brown on the nunchuck handles, and green and brown, I mixed brown with the green wash to give another color variation to Mikey. But now to get in all the real details, the black wash, and then it'll kind of mix with the other washes and add some different shades, which should look cool. Add a little black wash to the nunchucks to make them look a little more beat up and used. A little touch there. I think the last step is just a suede lace I got from some craft store or some craft section of a store, and I tied 2 knots, and I just glue down the one flap so it stays down and stays together. Now I've fitted the nunchucks in his hands, and that's it. That's what he looks like. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm glad you were here with me, and until next time, always keep your head up. Peace.